Welcome to G Fun Facts Online. In any sport, from a local park game to the World Cup final, one thing is constant: the quest for a fair victory. For decades, we've relied on the sharp eyes and quick judgments of human referees. But what happens when the game gets too fast, the athletes too powerful? Enter a new player, one that doesn't blink and can see in millimeters: artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into how AI is not just changing the game, but completely rewriting the rules of fair play. Let's start with the most obvious calls, the ones that cause the biggest arguments. Think of a blistering tennis serve right on the line. In or out? Before, we'd have a line judge making a split-second guess. Now we have Hawkeye. First used in cricket back in 2001. This system uses high-speed cameras to track a ball's trajectory with mind-boggling precision. It's so accurate that in many tennis tournaments, it has completely replaced human line judges. In football, this same tech powers goal line technology. The endless debate of "did the ball cross the line" is over. A simple vibration on the referee's watch gives a definitive yes or no. Then there's the big one, VAR. The Video Assistant Referee. Love it or hate it, VAR, along with its new partner, semi-automated offside technology, is reducing clear and obvious errors. Using multiple cameras to track every player's limbs and the ball itself, it can instantly flag an offside, taking the guesswork out of one of football's most contentious rules. But what about sports where there isn't a clear line to cross? How can a machine judge artistry and execution in sports like gymnastics or figure skating? This is where AI is making perhaps its most impressive leap. Take gymnastics. A system called the Judging Support System, or JSS, is now in use. It captures a gymnast's routine in 3D and compares their every movement, every angle, every rotation, against a database of the perfect execution according to the rulebook. It doesn't replace the human judges, but it gives them an objective score to help make their final decision more accurate and transparent for everyone watching. The same logic is being applied to diving, where AI can track jump height and rotations, giving judges a whole new set of data to inform their scores. The fight for fair play doesn't stop on the field. It extends to the very biology of the athletes. Doping has been a dark shadow over sports for years, but AI is now shining a bright light on it. Traditionally, anti-doping agencies rely on random testing, which can be hit or miss. AI offers a smarter way. It analyzes an athlete's biological passport, a long-term record of their blood and urine samples. By looking at massive datasets over time, AI can spot suspicious patterns or sudden, unnatural spikes in performance that might indicate doping. This allows for targeted testing, making it much harder for cheaters to slip through the cracks. The World Anti-Doping Agency is even working towards a performance passport that can tell the difference between genuine hard-earned improvement and the use of banned substances. Now, this all sounds like a perfect utopian future for sports, right? Well, it's not that simple. The rise of AI brings some serious challenges. First, there's the human element. Some argue that a robot referee can't manage the flow of a game or understand the emotional context of a foul. Then, there's bias. An AI is only as fair as the data it's trained on. If the data has hidden biases, the AI could too. And what about access? This technology is expensive. Does it create a two-tiered system where only rich leagues and teams can afford the best, most accurate officiating? Finally, there's the huge question of data privacy. We're talking about collecting incredibly detailed biometric data from athletes. Who owns that data, and how is it protected? So what does the future hold? It's unlikely we'll see stadiums staffed entirely by robot referees anytime soon. The most likely path forward is a collaboration. I will handle the black and white calls, the in or out, the offside or not, with flawless precision. This frees up human officials to focus on the gray areas, judging intent, managing players, and maintaining the spirit of the game. AI isn't here to take over sports, but to support it. It's a powerful tool on a mission to ensure that when the final whistle blows, victory is decided by skill, strategy, and talent, and nothing else. Thanks for listening to Fun Facts Online.